And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
All right, let's talk some weather. Scott came outside, warm. Get a little walk in this evening. Why not? You'll sweat a little bit. Exercise is good. I don't know anything about it, but have a good time. Temperatures in the 80s today, so close to 90 for parts of the area. Many locations fell short. But overall, just a warm August day. That's going to be a warm evening as well. 80s become 70s and eventually some 60s by morning, increasing humidity tonight. Now we've got to track some storms for tomorrow. You wake up in the morning, no problem. But then in the afternoon, sometime after about 3 p.m., some storms will fire up to our north and west. Some of those storms may enter the state in portions like Burrillville, Foster, Gloucester, maybe even into areas like Slatersville with the potential to be severe. What I mean by severe, damaging winds, some heavy rainfall, and some damaging lightning as well. Coastal areas at that point, no threat whatsoever. Temperatures in the 80s for everybody. Southeastern Mass, storms approaching from the northwest about 3, 4 o'clock. Better chance for a storm north. Question is, how strong will they be? I think heavy rain, yes. Maybe not reaching criteria for severe with winds over 58 miles an hour, but still packing a punch. At the time they get here, the coast is still dry. By evening, and those storms move south and east, a little bit better chance for everybody to get involved, and we need the rain. Obviously, we're still in the red, and this is an extreme drought for areas in southeastern Mass, for Bristol County and Rhode Island. This map was updated today. Not much change for our immediate viewing area, but keep in mind, too, we have not added a Tuesday rain in yet. The cutoff for the rain for this graphic stops Monday night, so that heavy rain and the flooding we had Tuesday afternoon is not reflected in the updated map. Areas, remember, Rehoboth picked up almost 7 inches of rain that day. Areas like in East Providence picked up 4 or 5 inches of rain. So maybe some little bit of subtle changes as we go into next week's new graphic. We could add a little bit more rain tomorrow, too. Here's this low pressure. It's going to track closer and drag a front through tomorrow. And as it does, it sparks those showers and thunderstorms. And they'll be strong to severe for areas west. The question is, how far east will they get here? In the morning, no problems. Morning commute's fine. Dry, a little humid. There are those storms firing up in the afternoon. By 2 o'clock, it is rocking in western and central Mass. The question is, how far east do they want to get? Remember, the storms don't know state lines. So it's not like it gets to Rhode Island and it's just like, I'm going to stop here and I'm not going to be that bad. As it continues to move east, it still packs a punch. Now, even if we don't get the severe side of it, still some downpours for areas in northern Rhode Island as we go into the 2, 4, 5 p.m. hour. And that's right for the morning commute, probably slowing things down. And then we go into the evening, it's still some decent rain for much of the area. And some of the forecast model runs bringing some rain now to the coast, which is good. You don't want severe weather, but we all could use the rain. The storms continue to fire up about 8 o'clock, 9, 10, pivoting into southeastern Mass, losing that severe criteria at that point, but still the potential for downpours. Once it all comes to an end, we dry out. Saturday looks good. Sunday looks good. And the weekend, the last weekend of August, looks nice. Monday looks good, too. Bring back some real oppressive humidity for Tuesday and Wednesday. Try to spark another round of showers and storms for the middle part of next week. Nick.
Thank you, Jeff.